Hashtag bees, nature's tiny powerhouses. Did you know bees are responsible for pollinating a third of the food we eat? That's right, these buzzing bundles of energy are vital to our planet's ecosystem. But bees are more than just pollinators, they're also master architects, building intricate hives with hexagonal cells made from their own wax. And get this, asterisk, bees have their own language. They use a waggle dance to tell other bees where to find the best flowers. Sadly, bees are facing threats like habitat loss and climate change. We need to protect these amazing creatures so they can keep doing their important work. So next time you see a bee, remember, it's not just an insect, it's a tiny powerhouse keeping our world alive.